Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And don't mind my slick back with my forehead poking out. We're about to install a glueless wig today, and it's by Amanda Hair. I'm ready to slap this wig on my head quick and easy, but first let me show you everything that was included in the package. It included an elastic band, a comb, more wig tape, and a wig cap. Everything you'll need to install this wig, and I'm about to put the wig cap on now. I'm placing it behind my hairline just to pretty much put all of my hair up and out of the way. There's no need to pull it all the way up to your forehead. The moment we've all been waiting for. Here is the beautiful 30-inch pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, beginner-friendly, easy to install wig. And I'm really a beginner, so I actually know that it's a beginner-friendly install. But anyway, y'all, look at this transparent lace. And the part looks really good as well. There's also wig tape already added. As you can see, there's an elastic band to adjust the wig to your head. There's an additional adjustable string to secure it even more. And of course, it has combs, one on the back and one on each side. So right here, I just placed the wig on my head and I can already tell it's going to be so cute. I love how full it is and that the lace really just blends with my skin. So right here, I'm just tightening it up to my head. I want it to be real snug, but I don't want it to be too tight to where it gives me a headache. I really need my lace to look like it's melted. So there was a little unwanted lace, so I did take my scissors and cut it off, but I didn't want to cut it straight across, so I moved my scissors from side to side while cutting it off. I don't need my hairline looking like a shape up. Next, I adjusted and secured the lace to my head using the lace tape that was already there. Right here, you want to pull the lace slightly above your hairline and to wherever you feel like it looks better on you. Remove the lace cover, pull the lace down till it's kind of tight, and simply just press it to the side of your face. And of course, you're just going to repeat this same step on the other side. And here you have it. The lace is laid and secured without using any product. And this is why we consider this a great wig for beginners. Next, I just used my tweezers and plucked a very little bit of the front. This step is not a must, it's just my preference because I wanted to thin it out a bit. And since I'm new to this, I only wanted to do just a little bit so that I don't ruin the wig. Right here, I'm just taking out a very little bit of the edges for the baby hair. This is all you'll need to take out if you decide to do the baby hair. Next, I'm just going to cut it, curl it, and use a little of the Got2b glue spray to lay my baby hair only. Got2b glue spray to lay my edges real quick. Not for the lace, but just to lay my edges. I'm just gonna use this band to lay my baby hair down real quick. Just for a little bit so it can stay in place while I define the curls. So I'm just gonna use my spray bottle. I'm gonna use my fave Miss Jessie's. This hair is really pretty wet, but now it's time to diffuse the curls. So you know I love to cut layers in the front of my hair, so I'm just gonna cut these two little pieces and then I am done. Y'all, I really love this wig. This one is really pretty. I love the hair texture. I love the curl pattern. I love how easy it is to install. I'm telling you, you better go grab you one. All of the details for this wig will be listed in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and you might as well just go ahead and hit that hype button as well. I want to thank all of the pretty girls for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.